is ANN News Brief.
South Sudan has confirmed its first case of COVID-19, becoming the latest African nation to report a case of the disease. Officials say the patient is a 29-year-old female working for the United Nations who recently arrived in the country from the Netherlands. Vice President Riek Machar said on Sunday that the patient was being treated in isolation. Meanwhile, experts have warned that the consequences could be dire if the virus spreads rapidly in South Sudan, which has extremely limited health facilities. More than 1 million persons are still displaced from their homes following a 6-year civil war that killed at least 400,000 persons. Ministers were finally appointed last month after the former rebel leader Riek Machar and President Salva Kiir signed a peace deal to form a unity government. Morocco's King Mohammed VI has pardoned 5,654 prisoners and ordered measures to protect inmates from the COVID-19 outbreak. The Justice Ministry said on Sunday the inmates were selected on the basis of their age, frail health, time spent in prison, and good conduct. The North African country has confirmed as of Sunday morning 919 coronavirus cases, including 59 deaths. We'll be right back.
Whether in your house, at your office, on your phone or online, we are there. We have the facts behind the headlines. We cut to the chase with the news you really need. We cover every angle. We are the bigger, better news network. We are African News Network. ANN. Watch ANN News on MITV from a truly African spirit.
Researchers who study the effect of surgical masks on the transmission of other corona and flu viruses have said face masks could help limit the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic. In a study published in the journal Nature Medicine, the researchers said the use of surgical masks by sufferers significantly reduced the number of flu viruses detectable in droplets released through breathing and coughing. It also reduced the number of seasonal coronaviruses, but the scientists said further research is needed to determine whether masks can specifically prevent the transmission of SARS-CoV-2. Until now, there has been little robust scientific evidence on the effectiveness of face masks in slowing transmission of respiratory diseases. The World Health Organization, WHO, says masks could be worn by anyone with symptoms such as cough or fever, or anyone caring for a confirmed or suspected COVID-19 case, but does not advise healthy people to wear them in everyday situations. COVID-19 pandemic has infected more than 1 million persons worldwide and killed more than 53,000. That is ANN News Brief at 11. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website, annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Ademi.